It's great to be here. I'd like to dedicate this song to all the dogs here with epilepsy.
This song is dedicated to epileptic dogs.
I love dogs.
I love dogs with epilepsy.
Think about the epileptic dog. Not all the puppies are born so lucky.
Somewhere there's a golden retriever who's having a seizure.
Somewhere there's a pup season up and there's a Labrador who's shaking on the floor. Think about the epileptic dogs. Send out some money to stop these dogs from acting funny. Send a check in the letter and make a set to feel better.
Come on and make a donation and save a shaky Dalmatian.
This is the remix.
Epileptic, 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 epileptic,
So, what'd you think, Mary? How do you think it went?
Oh, well, it was good, wasn't it?
Do you think so?
Yeah, it was different.
Barbara.
Barbara.
Hello.
Hey guys.
Oh,
It didn't go
yeah.
perfectly, but you know, there was.
It was a tragedy.
Well, it raised awareness of canine epilepsy. And
The strobe lights gave all of the dogs seizures.
Oh, not all of them.
Well, the epileptic ones.
Oh, yeah, all of
Those
them.
ones.
I thought they were dancing.
No, those were fits.
Even the golden doodle?
Yes.
The shiatsu was dancing.
No, he passed
Dogs
away.
can't.